Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best shower bases that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're renovating your bathroom or starting from scratch, choosing the right shower base is crucial for style, durability, and functionality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the 32-inch size corner drain shower base by Goodyo. This compact shower base is perfect for small bathrooms or anyone looking for a minimalistic design. Measuring 32 inches on both sides and standing 2 inches tall, it offers a 4-threshold design that makes it versatile for unique DIY shower setups. The corner drain location optimizes water flow, while the 3.5-inch drain diameter ensures efficient drainage. Made from high-quality acrylic with excellent resistance to heat, corrosion, and bending, this shower base is built to last. Its glossy finish adds a neat, modern aesthetic to any bathroom. However, the drain assembly is not included, which means you'll need to purchase that separately. The lightweight construction, weighing just 25.6 pounds, makes installation quite simple, and it's compatible with various flooring types. While it may not have the advanced features of some higher-ranked options, this Goodyo model is an excellent choice for those who need a cost-effective solution for smaller spaces. The 1-year manufacturer's warranty and 30-day hassle-free return policy are also reassuring. Just keep in mind that its compact size makes it less suitable for larger bathrooms. Pros: versatile design, lightweight, and durable material. Cons: drain assembly not included. Limited size options. Coming in at number 4 is the GetPro 36-inch by 36-inch center drain single threshold shower pan. This shower base stands out for its non-slick textured surface, which enhances safety and comfort during use. With a center drain and a single threshold design, it's suitable for 3-wall alcove installations. The included drain and white cover give it a seamless, modern appearance. The construction is where GetPro truly shines. Made from durable white acrylic reinforced with fiberglass, this model is built to last. It features an integrated support structure that enhances stability and ensures long-term durability. The slightly sloped base provides efficient drainage, preventing any waterlogging issues. At just 2 3/4 inches tall, it's low profile and easy to step into, making it suitable for users of all ages. This shower base is best for homeowners seeking a reliable and stylish option for medium-sized bathrooms. It's easy to clean and maintain, thanks to its non-porous surface. However, professional installation is recommended to ensure a watertight fit. Pros: slip-resistant design, efficient drainage, durable build. Cons: requires professional installation, slightly heavier. At number 3, we have the BBTEKN 36 by 36 shower base with corner drain. This model is designed with a double threshold layout, enhancing water containment and preventing leaks. The corner drain, measuring 5.5 inches in diameter, comes with a complete drain set for hassle-free installation. The sleek, white acrylic finish adds a modern touch to any bathroom. Crafted from high-quality environmental acrylic and reinforced with ABS. This shower base is built to withstand daily wear and tear. The 5-layer construction ensures superior durability and resistance to bending, heat, and corrosion. The protective film on its surface prevents scratches during transport and installation. At 5.5 inches tall, it's slightly higher than other models, but this contributes to its excellent water containment. This shower base is ideal for those looking for a blend of style and practicality. The included drain set makes installation straightforward, even for DIY enthusiasts. However, its higher profile may not be suitable for users who prefer low-threshold designs. Pros: durable construction, complete drain set included, modern design. Cons: taller profile, slightly heavier than other options. Our runner-up is the Goodyo 36 inches by 36 inches shower base with double threshold and center drain. This model is perfect for homeowners who prioritize durability and functionality. The double threshold design allows for versatile installation options, while the center drain ensures efficient water flow. Note that the drain assembly is not included, so you'll need to purchase that separately. Constructed from a combination of high-quality acrylic and ABS, this shower base boasts excellent resistance to heat, corrosion, and bending. The glossy white finish adds a clean, modern look to your bathroom, while the protective film prevents scratches during installation. Its 5-layer construction enhances durability and offers better weight endurance, making it suitable for daily use. This Goodyo model is a solid choice for medium-sized bathrooms. It's easy to install and compatible with various ground conditions, including plywood, concrete, and tile. However, the lack of an included drain set is a minor inconvenience. Pros: durable build, versatile installation, sleek design. Cons: drain set not included, slightly heavier than comparable models. Taking the top spot is the Vevor Shower Curb Kit 38x60 Watertight Shower Curb Overlay. This all-in-one kit is designed for bathrooms that demand both reliability and customization. The shower tray is made from EPS high-pressure foam board, which is lightweight yet durable. It features a 4-inch offset drain hole, and the included PVC flange ensures smooth water flow. The watertight gray membrane adds an extra layer of protection against leaks. What sets the Vevor apart is its comprehensive package. The kit includes 2 cuttable shower curbs, a stainless steel grate, and even a stainless steel trowel for mortar application, an accessory not commonly included with other products. The multiple rolls of waterproof membrane allow for easy customization, whether you're working on walls or floors. This product is ideal for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts who want a complete, watertight solution. It's easy to install, and the adjustable components make it suitable for bathrooms of various sizes. While it's slightly more expensive than other options, the value you get from the included accessories justifies the cost. Pros: complete kit, easy installation, high-quality materials. Cons: requires some experience for optimal installation, slightly higher price. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Happy renovating, and see you in the next video.